Hello, I'm Julie McDaniel Muldoon, Safety and Wellbeing Consultant at Oakland Schools. I created the Supportive Strategy series with 3-minute episodes of strategies I think might be helpful to you, especially during this extraordinary time. These short and sweet episodes are based on research and best practice. Episode 5 is Cultivating Empathy. Let's begin. To explore empathy, we need to understand where it lives within the social-emotional learning core competencies. The Collaborative for Academic, Social, and Emotional Learning describes these competencies as self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision-making. Empathy lives in the social competencies, requiring us to understand ourselves before we can understand others. Teresa Wiseman framed empathy into 4 elements. First, we must see the world as others see it. Second, we accept others without judgment. Third, we understand another's feelings. And finally, we are able to communicate this understanding. As Brené Brown teaches us, empathy is communicating that incredibly healing message of, you are not alone. Daniel Goleman has pushed our thinking to describe 3 different types of empathy. Cognitive empathy lives in the executive functioning part of our brain and is dependent upon our thoughts, our understanding, and intellect. Emotional empathy lives in the limbic system. It starts with our mirror neurons and relies on our senses and feelings. Compassionate empathy requires both emotional and cognitive empathy, but it goes deeper. It motivates us to take action on someone else's behalf. Altruism is empathy in action. As Goleman suggests, with this kind of empathy, we not only understand a person's predicament and feel with them, but we're spontaneously moved to help if needed. We cultivate empathy in many ways. We empathize with students, we model empathy, we make caring for others a priority, we set high ethical expectations, and we practice. In an online environment, we can use video and chat whenever possible. We can practice and model self-compassion. We can link content to empathy wherever possible, always mindful of pace. All of this content is based on solid research and best practice. Please contact me for selected references, more resources, and suggestions for topics for future episodes at julie.mcdaniel at oakland.k12.mi.us.